second graders. This is Miss Bowerly. We're doing a little at-home lesson, so pretend we're in the classroom. So we're going to do a little math lesson, and we're going to go over your homework that you need to turn in this week. So we are going to learn about even and odd numbers today. So our numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to 1,000,000. We're going to learn about whether that number is even or odd. Okay, so if my cameraman Ryan wants to zoom in on the paper, okay, so I'm going to tell you why I put a smiley face and sad face later, okay? So, even numbers. We want to talk about, define even and odd. So, even is like when, let's say you're at recess and you're playing soccer. You have to have 2 equal teams. That's fair. So that's what kind of even talks about. Or if you're going to play a math game, everybody gets a partner. Nobody's left out. So everyone has a partner. That's an even number. So an odd number, so even, that's why I have the smiley face. Even, everyone's happy, everything's equal, and everyone gets a partner and no one's left out. So odd is when you don't have an equal number. So if you're playing a math game and there's 3 people and I said, oh, only choose 1 partner, that means 1 person gets left out and they're sad and they are probably crying. That's why I have the sad face. Okay, so we're going to talk about even and odd numbers. So we're going to let's do the number 4. Okay, so I drew the number 4 there, or wrote the number 4, okay? I want to know if 4 is an even or odd number. So I might draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now I'm going to pair them up. So these 2 are partners, and these 2 are partners. So does everyone have a partner? Yep. Is there anyone left out? Nope. So this number would be even, okay? If we went over here, let's do the number 5. So in order to see if 5 is an even or odd number, I'm going to draw a picture. Okay? So now I'm going to put them into pairs to see if everyone gets a partner. So these 2 are partners. These 2 are partners. Oh, this one's crying because there's no one else to partner him up with. So this number is odd. That's an odd number. Okay, so that's even and odds. Okay, so let's go back over to 4. Let's talk about teams. So these are partners. Let's talk about 4 as a team. Let's draw 4. Okay, if I want to make 2 teams, if I'm playing soccer, are we able to have 2 teams? So I would break that up in these 2 versus these 2. So it would be 2 people on this team and 2 people on that team. So an even number can be split up into 2 equal teams. Okay? Odd numbers. So if I have 5, so there's a team and there's a team. 2 people on this team and 3 people on this team, that is not fair. So that means 5 is odd. You cannot do 2 equal teams. Okay? So we're going to go over your homework you guys have. So your homework looks like this. We're going to do 2 examples. Okay? So we'll keep our even and odd right up there. Okay? So I took the number 14. Okay? So, let's use, which one can you see better? Let's try green. Okay, 14, is it even or odd? Well, in order to find that out, I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 14 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there's my 14 circles. Now I'm going to pair them up. So these two are partners. These two are partners. These two are partners. Partners. Partners and partners. So does everybody have a partner? Yes, they do. So this is an even number. So you would write even. Or you could circle it. Either one. Either one works. How many partners? Well, this is a set of partners. This is a set of partners. There are 7 sets of partners. Okay, how many partners in each? 2. 2 in each. Okay, is anyone left out? Is anyone crying in the corner? Nope. So we're going to write no. Everyone's happy they have a partner. Now, can 14 be split up into 2 equal teams? So partners is when like you're working in a math game and you have a partner, so 2 people. When we talk about equal teams, that means like you're playing a soccer game or baseball game and you have 2 equal teams. So sometimes doubles, you can use your doubles facts for this. So 14, let's see if it can be split up into 2 equal teams. I'm just going to flip this around so I can draw on the back. So 14, so 1, this is going to be team A, and this is going to be team B. Okay, so I'm going to divide it as I count. So 1 goes up there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to go all the way up to 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, now I'm going to count how many people that I got on each team. 4, 5, 6, 7 on this team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this team. So let's go back to the front. Can it be split up into 2 teams? Yes, it can. I'm going to circle yes. Because we found on the back that it was both had 7 on each team. Okay, now we're going to do another one. Okay, now we have the number 3. Okay, so is 3 even or odd? Let's draw a picture to find out. I'm going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now I can already tell by looking at this. These 2 are a partner and this one's left out. So there's not equal teams, so this is an odd number because there's 1 left out. It's not equal. How many partners? There's only 1 set of partners. Is anyone left out? Yep, this guy is. 1 is left out. So do you think 3 can be split up into 2 equal teams? Well, we know odd numbers are not equal. So if we have team A and team B, 1, 2, 3, that is not equal teams. This team has more than team B. So it cannot be split up into equal teams. Okay? So even and odd numbers, that's kind of what your homework looks like. So your goal is to know and figure out what even and odd numbers are. And we just kind of explain that. So remember, even numbers have equal partners and they have equal teams. Okay? Odd numbers do not have equal partners. Remember, equal means the same. when they do not have fair teams. You gotta have fair teams. Okay, so that is even and odd. If you have any questions, let Miss Bowery, myself, or Miss Seinstra, or Mrs. LaFrenz know. Okay, so that's kind of your assignment for even and odd and what you're learning. Okay, all right, see you later.